Understanding the power requirements of mini centrifuges is crucial for ensuring they function properly and safely in your laboratory. Here's what you need to know. Power requirements overview. Voltage, standard. Most mini centrifuges operate on 110/120 V, US, or 222/40 V, Europe. Variants. Some models have dual voltage capability. Frequency, common, 50 Hz, Europe, or 60 Hz, US, AC. Flexibility. Many models work on both frequencies. Plug type, specific. Check the plug type required for your region. Adapters. Use adapters or converters if necessary. Current draw, low. Mini centrifuges are energy efficient. Rating. Check the device's specifications. Surge protection, recommended. Protect against power surges. Stabilizers. Consider voltage stabilizers. Grounding, important. Ensure proper grounding. Check. Verify that the outlet supports grounding. Circuit breaker rating. Consider the circuit breaker rating in your lab. Overload protection. Avoid overloading circuits. Special considerations. Refrigerated models may require additional power. Consult the manufacturer's specifications. Understanding these requirements ensures that your mini centrifuge functions properly and safely. For more information on mini centrifuges and related products, please visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.